Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Bing Webmaster Tools for URL inspection step by step clearly. Navigate to the Bing Webmaster Tools website. If you already have a Microsoft account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and log in. If you do not have a Microsoft account, click on the Sign Up button. Follow the prompts to create a new Microsoft account. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the Bing Webmaster Tools dashboard. Here, click on the Add a Site option. Enter the URL of the website you want to manage. Click on the Add Site button to proceed. Next, you need to verify ownership of the website. Choose a verification method that suits you best. Common methods include adding an HTML file, a meta tag, or verifying through your domain provider. Follow the instructions specific to your chosen verification method. After successful verification, your site will be added to Bing Webmaster Tools. Return to the dashboard once your site is verified. Click on the site you've just added to access your site's specific tools. Locate the URL inspection tool from the menu options. Enter the specific URL you wish to inspect in the provided field. Click on the Inspect button to analyze the URL. Review the inspection results, including any issues or recommendations provided. You can now make adjustments based on the insights from your URL inspection. To continue using Bing Webmaster Tools, regularly check back for updates and new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.